what we call a Kikomando in Uganda. Walai. Walai, walai. Sikiliza walai. Loris, ori Kikomando? Kwori? Nze mwendi? Ewe Kikomando bani singa bro. Njagala nga mbini za meni. Njagala chabiri naye nga bijanjalo bye bisinga. Okay. Machike. Ha. Kino kyaddala. So guys, this is what we call a Kikomando in Uganda. Kikomando is a combination of chapati with beans. It's a special delicacy in Uganda. You can have it for lunch, for breakfast, anything. And the main people who are professional in Kikomando are Basoga. So I'm surprised that Basoga even in Kasese. Basoga have trouble. Yo. Jangole ku Kikomando ekyomusoga mbwe ino. So my brother is also ordering for one. I'm also ordering, and our friends have left. Huh? That's what they say in Lusoga. That's Mbagamba. How do they say in Lusoga? Thank you. Neanziza. I was right. Neanziza. So guys, Kikomando is just chapati chopped into small pieces with beans. That's it. So guys, how did we even end up with Kikomando? So basically, my friends and I were hiking in this beautiful village of Muhokya, and guys, the hike took us 10 kilometers going and another 10 coming back. Guys, remember, the goal is to go to places that we have never gone to. So basically, somehow we got lost, but we kept pushing each other. So we got lost, we kept pushing each other. At the end of it all, we reached the destination. Well, anybody wants to see the destination? Guys, that is a Msongora home, but this one should be rich, advanced. Muhokya is one of the oldest towns of Kasese. Actually, Muhokya was the main city of Kasese back in the years, and it is an animal, like they rear more of animals, and it is dominated more with the Basongora. This is like a tribe in Uganda. They rear more of animals. As you can see, this is part of, like, I think before then it was part of Queen Elizabeth National Park, but this is the community side. So beautiful plants. Of course, these are the wild plants, very cute, amazing. And then I have a team. I'm not alone. I have a team. I'm trying to create a hiking family, an outdoor family. So just in case you are around Kasese and it's a weekend, especially Sundays, feel free to join us. But also over the years, they have started growing crops. So this is where you will find a Muhokya irrigation scheme that is pouring water for farming. Currently, there are also farmers in Muhokya. So subscribe and hit on your share button, your notification button. Yeah, come yamba. So guys, we are almost there, but to be honest, we have lost track, but we are still positive. And it is getting foggy again. I think it is raining in the next... You don't need to be a professional while hiking. At this moment, we all need each other because one, we want to cross, but we don't want to step in water.
Sera hii kwa siro. You standing.
After long hustle, finally we reached at Muhokya Waterfalls. Oh my god, guys, this is not yet the waterfall way. The waterfall is inside there, hidden. Let me take you there before we finish. Don't forget to subscribe, hit your notification so that you don't miss such amazing videos. I love you all the time. Glad you adventures, and bye.
Agamba, your Kasese is full of surprises.